How should you price real estate photography so it respects your time and still helps sell the listing? In today's market, many professionals anchor a base between $150 and $300, then rely on smart add-ons to lift the average order closer to $300 to $600. Imagine a bright, staged living room, clean lines, natural light, and a simple price ladder animating on screen. This is where the real math lives, not just in the shoot, but in everything around it. Pricing anxiety is real. Sharp, consistent photos can boost listing engagement by 40 to 60%. Yet photographers are still pushed toward $90 photo mills at one end and $600 luxury shoots at the other. Agents rarely rehire the cheapest option. They rehire the one who shows up on time, delivers within 24 hours, and makes every listing look like a sure bet. A graphic highlights a typical baseline of $150 to $300 for 20 to 30 images. In coastal luxury metros, the base slides toward $300 to $500. In volume-heavy markets, entry packages sit under $200, but add-ons do the heavy lifting. Now the diagram charts animate. One shows a base price line. Stacked bars grow above it labeled floor plans, aerials, video, and three-dimensional tours. 40 to 60% of monthly revenue glows in a different shade, proving that the base keeps the lights on while extras grow the business. This is where a clear menu, not a race to the bottom, becomes your edge. Regional scenes roll by: a sunlit coastal home, a dense city townhouse, a modest Midwestern property. Typography reminds viewers that pricing is hyperlocal. Los Angeles and New York can support higher bases, while volume-first shops in places like Florida run lean packages and 6 to 8 shoots a day. Then we shift to what actually drives repeat bookings. A diagram of a clean pricing sheet animates into view. Simple tiers, clear add-ons, and a promised 24-hour turnaround. Over it, we see a folder of image thumbnails loading smoothly into a listing template. Reliability, not the lowest price, is what agents quietly optimize for. Add-on scenes appear: a floor plan overlay hovering above a kitchen, a drone-style top view of a property, a short vertical walkthrough preview framed like a phone screen. Captions note typical ranges: $50 to $150 for floor plans, $100 to $200 for aerials, $200 to $500 for video, $150 to $300 for tours. These elements keep buyers on the page longer and drive more showings. Here is where ReimagineHome.ai enters the frame. An abstract interface appears over an empty room photo, then transforms into a virtually staged, fully styled interior. By using ReimagineHome.ai, agents and photographers can test staging directions, visualize updates, and align on a design story before the first photo is even taken. That means fewer reshoots, clearer expectations, and images that work harder when they finally go live. As the screen fills with a two-panel chart, one side shows base tiers and average order value. The other stacks revenue sources. A line of text reinforces the takeaway: your base price respects your time. Your add-ons tell the full story of the property. To close, an image montage of AI-generated listing scenes scrolls by: a starter home, a suburban family house, a luxury condo, each shown with clean photography and thoughtful staging. A final overlay ties it together. Pick your lane, publish your rules, and make every listing look move-in ready online. For agents and photographers who want to pair solid pricing with compelling visuals, ReimagineHome.ai is there to help you pre-visualize the space, refine the story, and market every home with confidence. Reimagine your workflow, protect your margins, and design listings that truly earn attention. Explore what is possible with ReimagineHome.ai.